Hello, I will show you step by step how you can earn money with LiveGood opportunities. Become a LiveGood affiliate marketer. You can earn up to, the amount is 4,000 monthly, even though there is no selling and no recruiting. How is that possible? First, what is LiveGood? LiveGood is a renowned membership club company that provides a range of exclusive benefits to its valued members. Includes an affiliate program. This is the team behind the company. When was LiveGood launched? December 2022. Available now in 200 countries. Our main office is located in Florida, USA. We now have over 30 products. For the past 2 years, we have been providing excellent service to nearly 2 million loyal members worldwide. We started with high-quality, organic, certified, and very affordable natural products. We began in health and wellness. We have skincare products available now and more soon. We will have travel services, household products, and many more exciting items available for purchase soon. Our mission is to help people achieve good health and ensure they maintain their health over time. You can complete the task without having to spend a fortune to do it. LiveGood displays characteristics that are similar to those found in SNR. Landers, Costco, and Amazon are major retailers. All of those are membership club companies. To take advantage of our products, it is necessary for you to purchase a membership. Subscription or membership clubs like Costco offer exclusive benefits. And Amazon is considered a very large industrial powerhouse worldwide today. Similar to Costco, it now has total revenue of $4.8 billion. Effective as of September 2024. Amazon, on the other hand, has 200 million members. In 2024, the membership club industry is estimated to achieve a significant $44.3 billion in subscription revenue. Now, how does a person become a member of LiveGood? Like Costco, Landers, and SNR, LiveGood also requires its members to pay an annual membership fee for access to exclusive benefits. There is a membership fee in place costing $9.95 for a monthly membership and $99.95 for an annual subscription plan for yearly membership. So there's a 20% discount when you choose the yearly plan. What do you enjoy? You can enjoy the big savings. We offer prices up to 90% lower compared to other leading brands today. And you can get free products. These are the comparison of competitor brands. The competitor brand Organifi is available now for the price of $70. Skinny Greens are priced at nearly $100. So why not become a member of LiveGood since our prices are very low. The Super Reds, this product costs $70 at Organifi and almost $40 elsewhere at Super Beats. Then this is factor 4. Look carefully at the differences. The difference in our prices compared to other similar brands is very significant. We have vitamin D, we have coffee. These are the different product prices that apply depending on whether you are a member or you are not a member. When you are not a member of our program, you have the option to choose and pay the standard retail price for purchases. When you become a member, you are able to purchase them at the special member's price. There we go, we have protein, Super Green, Super Reds. We have coffee, mushroom coffee. We have CBD oil. We have E3 Energy Endurance. We have amino acids available along with factor 4 fish oil. We offer a CBD pain relief cream that is specially formulated to effectively reduce inflammation. We have collagen. We have creatine. We have essential oils available in our store and we have a wide variety to choose from. For lean body composition and effective weight loss, we have Gummy multivitamins. We have products for hormonal balance for women. We offer a vitality and hydration amplifier solution. CBN Sleep Gummies Probiotics. We have Silagit. We have Chlorophyll. And for our top quality beauty products, we have the highly effective VitaGlow Hydrating Moisturizer, natural herbal reagents, and a rich toner. Our company proudly offers instant youth, ageless renewal, and our revolutionary whip talo balm. Iceless skin is in the room. And we have packages here that can save you more. Of course, we have apparels, jackets, okay? So become a Live Good affiliate marketer. You are able to earn up to receive 4,000 or monthly. How do you become an affiliate member? Pay a one-time fee of $40 plus 1 month membership, total of $49.95 or you are now an affiliate member. As an affiliate member, you can earn in two ways, fast and slow. Let's explain the slow one. Here in the slow method, there is something called, this is a member-to-member program, for example. Those who become members for $9.95 just to avail of the lower price products available. Additionally, they can also perform necessary repairs effectively. That means every referral that also becomes a member for $9.95, one feature of the membership club has a free product. You can earn here on social media, powered by member-to-member program. You just need to post it on Facebook. Live Good produces engaging and informative videos. You just need to re-upload them. Include your website, your referral link. So when someone becomes a member there, you will earn from there. So how is that? For example, a total of 2 individuals have now become official members. Please ensure that you carefully adhere to all guidelines in your posts. You do not need to reply or respond personally to each of the videos you have posted because your website is already there and effectively addresses all viewer needs and inquiries. Edit your website now so they will automatically become members there. So now, for example, we will proceed accordingly. In your post, 2 have become members. And another thing, your promotion on various social media platforms, you can effectively use manual advertisements today. Alternatively, you can choose to engage in paid advertisements. Okay, so for example, there are 2. Just for example, 2 have become members, but any number is fine. Example of 2, the company will provide you with a 2x13 matrix. For example, the 2 became members. That's your level 1. The company will give you a fee of 0.25 or 2.5% applies to the membership. So those 2 individuals, if you carefully notice, at the initial level 1 of the program, there are 2 additional members and you have earned 50 cents. There are the 2. Now the 2, they will refer to the 2 people, just as an example. Why? Because they have a pre-product. Every time they refer, someone will also become a member. So the tendency of that, because they can see on their website, they have a pre-product there. Let's show it there. They will be interested in having pre-product once they share it with their acquaintances. So for example, let's go back to earlier, those 2. They referred 2 people. So your second level has 4. So the tendency of those 4, they will also refer because of pre-product. So for example, 2 by 2. Those 4 will have 8 in level 3. Level 4, 16. Level 5, 32. And you have reached level 13 with 8192. The total number of people participating in the event is 16384 individuals present. You will be paid 0.25 for each person. So when everything is calculated, your total earnings from that specific position amount to $4,095.50 monthly. Why monthly? Because that's when people become members. Since it's monthly, they will buy products. Because our products are consumable. Every time they buy, they subscribe. It can be 1 year or 1 month. Is that okay? Do you agree? That's great. So now, what if we change plans? No one becomes a member through your post. It's okay. Because Live Good also creates advertisements on TV. Radio, commercial, podcast, YouTube. So what it is called over there is the Live Good Co-op, which means that every individual who becomes a member of the company can be purchased by us. When you purchase that person who has become a member, they connect to you. It's like they're your referral. You can purchase good assured direct referral from the company. The company that creates advertisements, you will simply purchase the members. It will be automatically and securely connected directly to your account. Those two, for example, just two. So those two, their tendency, guys, is a member-to-member program. That means their tendency is to refer because they want pre-made products. As I mentioned earlier, the second level is possible with two of each, totaling 4 members. That can also be repaired because they want pre-products. So it will go down to 8 levels up to level 13. You have the option to purchase a paid badge, or alternatively, you can buy the second one available at the local co-op store. And that action will multiply effectively, duplicating itself all the way up to level 13. So there is going to be no recruiting, no selling happening. These are examples of various types of earnings. That is not complete because not every one of them is fully filled. So this means that even if level 13 has not yet been filled as 2x13 in the system, even if it's somewhat lacking, the company will still pay you. This costs a total of $25 per person of paid membership. So here you can see the initial income in the matrix. That's the matrix bonus or matrix earnings. He has $351.25. See, the period of August 1st to August 31st inclusive. The release of that is the first week of the following month. So August release would be in September, first Friday. So regarding the second one, you can clearly see the number 475.8 displayed here. The third one, she earned 831.75. So those are the income branches up to level 13. So now let us proceed to discuss the topic of PAS in detail. Earn 25. For every person you successfully refer and become an affiliate marketer too. That means when you have acquaintances, you also want to involve, so you will earn $25 each. For example, if you currently have 10 referrals, you will see there the 10 level 1 participants are your direct referrals in the system. So you'll earn $25 each there, that is $250 or so. Those 10, their potential, they can also make reference. They can refer, which will also become their official affiliate partners. So there are 100 who join under them because they are recruiting in groups of 10, which amounts to $5 per piece. So 100 multiplied by $5 equals $500. Therefore, you have successfully earned $500. Then the good thing is that at the third level, you still have a 5% profit because those 100 will each refer 10. It's 1,000 at the third level and it is multiplied by $2.50. You currently have 2,500. It's not over yet since it reaches level 10. That's the optional part if you want to do the pass. This is where you'll make money from it. That's that much. 7,000, 12,000, 19,000. Okay? You can see that much profit is achievable there. Now, how do you get started? It requires only a one-time payment of $40. But of course, you should also consider becoming a member by taking advantage of our 1-month membership option, which is available for just $9.95, bringing your total expense to $49.95. Or if you want to save a total of 20%, get an annual membership. By making a one-time payment, you gain lifetime active status plus a 1-year membership. So the total amount due for your purchase is $139.95. You're now an affiliate member. Now what do you want? Do you prefer something fast, something slow, or perhaps a combination of both? With this special pass, you can easily earn rewards and enjoy the best of both worlds. At this current time, the slow one enables you to earn income there steadily. Those are members, not affiliate. This pass causes these cases to be affiliate. If you want to repair, if you don't, stay here in slow. Everyone who enters this space in pass, that power of 10 or even power of 5, even power of 2, as long as everyone enters there, it also continues to enter your 2x13 matrix data. It also clearly means that while you're making the pass, your level 13 eventually becomes filled. That's good. And that's not even over yet because your 10 referrals, along with all their respective earnings, are collectively operating at that specific and designated level 30. We'll give you an additional 50% each. Those 10, if they each earn $2,000. Great. Why is it important to join early? Because there's what's called spillover. All the production from those above, this responsibility can fall to you and can successfully fill up your level 13, ensuring your progress continues smoothly. Even if you don't have referrals, even if no one joins you through advertisement, even if you didn't make the pass, those above you, when they make the pass, it might fall on you, so the earlier you join. Oh, isn't it great? You don't have an invite there, huh? Thank you.